It's going to sound simple and easier said than done, but I'm going to keep reminding you to stop living your life in comparison. Seriously, make it a mantra. It's one of mine. Your jealousy is getting created the moment you decide to evaluate who you are, what you have, the life that you're living, based off of assumptions about other people, right? These assumptions can be, they have more than me. They are happier than me. They're more successful than me. I wish I had those things. I wish I was that person. But remember that especially if this is a person that you are looking at from social media that you've never even met before, you have no idea even if they've got the perfectly curated Instagram account, if they are going through depression or, caring for a sick family member or sitting on piles and piles of debt. You just don't. So ask yourself, in what situations do you notice that you compare yourself most often to others, and how does it harm you? The more you observe and understand this pattern, the easier it's going to be to ultimately break that habit of toxic comparison.